What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video with your boy Winnie City Homie here today, guys. Again, we're in the infamous closet. No Diddy. Pero guys, we're finally gonna be bringing you guys an unboxing video after a really long time that we haven't done one in general. So yeah, guys, we're gonna go ahead and do an unboxing video. As you guys can see by the title of this specific video, it's gonna be a special one, something that we haven't done in a really long time. It's pretty much since I started my channel, when I did my my gun collection. And the reason for it is because unfortunately I live in the state of Illinois, where they have a lot of gun laws that I don't want to get into details, but unfortunately we're not able to buy certain firearms. But we finally got one after many years. And I'm just kidding. I didn't buy one myself. I was actually my cousin's letting me borrow this one because it matches, well, not matches, but I have this specific firearm, but just the older version. Pero pues yeah, guys, let's go ahead and start the video. And I know you guys are waiting to see how it looks, so let's go ahead and bring you guys this unboxing real quick. And boom, just like that, guys. So you guys can see by the name of the box, and if you know, you know what's inside of this box. Pero I mean, everybody knows it's a Glock box. Pero pues yeah, guys, it's something that's really special because it's just something that is just came out not too long ago, and it's the all brand new Glock 43X MOS from 2025. So yeah, well, let's go ahead and open this box real quick. Now, should I open it myself first, or should I let you guys see it first? Just because I like you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys see it first before me. So you guys ready? Let's go ahead, crack it open. Let me know what you guys think.
Then I'm like, this motherfucker don't miss.
You're not watching it first before me. No, I'm just kidding. Go ahead. Sheesh. There you go, guys. The all brand new Glock 43X MOS. As you guys can see, it's slide cut for the optic. It's optic ready, and it has the little rail so you can go ahead and mount your Olight. I'm not sponsored yet, but you can put in your Olight, your Streamlight, whatever you guys decide, whatever is in your budget. But pues yeah, guys, look at this. It's a all brand new Glock 43X in the peanut butter colorway. This is a miniature Glock 19X. That's what I'm gonna call it personally, because like I said, the only colorway that I've seen it like this, it's on the Glock 19X, and then this is the 43X MOS. Just so you guys can see, completely empty. There's no mag. Safe direction. So it's completely empty, guys, so you guys can see all the details. I mean, it's the ordinary Glock, pero like I said, it's in the peanut butter colorway. And now the reason why, like I said, my cousin let me borrow it because I have one of my own, but it's not the MOS. It's the stock one. Not stock one. It's the basic one, which is not the MOS. I got that Glock 43X a couple years ago, before they started making MOS 43Xs that I knew of. But pues yeah, guys, let me go ahead and show you guys. Boom. And it's this bad boy right here. I know the OGs that been seeing my channel have seen this firearm a bunch of times, but it's the same one, Glock 43X. Now this one, it is loaded, which I'm gonna go ahead and clear it out real quick. We'll pick it up later. Pero pues yeah, safe direction. Like I said, it's the same Glock 43X, but this one, obviously, like I said, I've been having it through for a couple of years. It has had multiple rounds flown into it already. This one is still brand spanking new. I don't know if you guys can kind of see. It has some oil there still, right there. But pues yeah, guys, literally same firearm, Glock 43X. The regular one, and then the Glock 43X, the MOS. And as you guys can see, the first thing you might notice is that the slide cut, obviously this one is nice and flat. You can put anything in there, and this one has the frame cut, so that way you can go ahead and add your flashlight or whatever you want to put in there. And then, like I said, at the very top, You guys can see this one's already optic ready. This one has nothing. Now I could go ahead and do that, the optic ready situation in this one. I could always send out the slide out to get it cut and all that stuff, pero pues nah, I'd rather just keep it like this, how it is. Reason for it is because, as you guys know, this colorway, they don't make them anymore, and that's the whole reason why I'm keeping it exactly how it is. It has that silver colorway. Now if you guys been in the industry, in the firearm industry, you guys will know that these colorway, they don't make them anymore. Okay, and that's the whole reason why this is my baby right here. It's one of my first Glocks ever that I purchased when I started getting into firearms. And then this one, once my cousin showed it to me, I instantly fell in love with it, just by the simple colorway. The optic ready and all that stuff, it don't really catch my attention, but just the colorway in general. I've been wanting to get a Glock 19X for a really long time, but right now I don't see it worth it, for the simple reason, like I said, guys, we stay here in Chicago, and so we technically can only carry, I believe it's 13 rounds or 10 rounds, and I'm pretty much paying the same price for less rounds on the Glock 19X. I don't see it being worth it at this time. Plus my Glock 19 Gen 4 still is lock and loaded, and so yeah, I don't see why spend that money on that, but that's a whole different story. Pero pues yeah, guys, I mean, that's the whole purpose of this video, just to show you guys this unboxing of this beautiful Glock 9. You see, I'm already locked in with the 19X, guys. Hopefully these freaking laws can get away from Chicago and we can go ahead and purchase more firearms the way we used to. But pues yeah, guys, it's the Glock 43X. This is just me showing you guys the unboxing. Now I will show you guys once we hit the range how everything goes onto this one. Obviously it's the same BS, pero I just want to pretty much go ahead and challenge my cousin. He's barely getting into the firearm game, so obviously he has a lot to learn. So I'm gonna be taking him to the range, so you guys stay tuned for that one, and you guys gonna see how he does with his own firearm and all that stuff. It might take a few more. Who knows? We might record it, we might not. Pero pues we for sure going to the range to take this bad boy. Okay, we might do a little friendly competition, maybe a little $100 bets, who knows. If you're seeing this, which I know you are, bro, hey, $100 is what you want to do, man. But anyways, yeah, we're gonna definitely hit the range with this, and then obviously we're gonna go ahead and bring out this bad boy right here too, and just a friendly competition of Glock 43Xs. And then obviously once he starts doing more upgrades, obviously getting the optic and then the flashlight or whatever, he's gonna put it down here or whatever, any upgrades, I'm pretty sure he's gonna go ahead and let me know. And who knows if he still allows me to go ahead and upload those. If not, I'm trying to push him to go ahead and upload on his channel itself too, at Mr. Tweet. So you guys make sure to go ahead and tap in with my cousin there, and I promise you guys I'm gonna try to get him to be out there as much as possible, making videos for you guys as well. But pues yeah, all it comes in the box is your standard 2 10-round magazine, and then your Glock speed loader. So it has 2 10-round magazines, and then plus 1 in the head, so you're carrying 11 in total. And obviously you want to carry the secondary mag. That's totally optional to you. But yeah, that's what it comes in the box. And then you have your lock with the key and everything to keep it nice and safe, stored away from kids if you have kids or whatever the case it is. But pues yeah, guys, it comes with this, and then obviously everything else is just the instructions and all that stuff. But we're not gonna go ahead and get into that further detail. I mean, obviously the most important piece right here is this bad boy, and this is pretty much how it sits. And again, it's clear. This is how it sits with the mag. Obviously it's nice and flush. It does have a little bit of a gap there, but it's not much. Once you go ahead and store it into your holster, this is pretty much how it looks. This won't poke you in your stomach, especially if you're a big boy like me. It won't poke you as much as like a full size, like 19 or 17 or whatever the case it is. And then, you know, it's nice and concealable. Pero pues yeah, guys, and then I wanted to check something really quick as well too. since I had it here. As most of you guys know, I have my 10 round magazines as well, and besides that I also have the shield arm 15 round plus another 5, so 20 round mag. And obviously I had to do a couple of upgrades on mine to be able to do so, which the first one was to change out the plastic release button into a metal one, so that way it can go ahead and lock in to the metal mag here. So I had to do those upgrades on mine, and since we have this bad boy right here, I wanted to see if Glock improved that, instead of using like really cheap plastic pieces, if maybe hopefully he might not be able to need those upgrades, the ones that I had to do, and then just buy the shield arm magazine, see if it'll fit. So yeah, let's go ahead and give it a try and see how it looks. And again, this is a stock plastic one, and like I said, I changed it to the metal one. Okay, so this is how it looks, and it does fit. It does fit. It's nice and snug, doesn't come out. It releases perfect. Did Glock improve their mag release button? You guys let me know in the comments. But yeah, I mean, it's taking it, no diddy. So hey, we might bring it out to the range. We're definitely gonna bring it out to the range. In other words, we're definitely gonna bring it out to the range and see if it'll fire through, and hopefully it doesn't damage the mag release here. But if it does, hey, fuck it, it is what it is. That's an excuse for my cousin to upgrade this bad boy right here. But I mean, look, obviously I got the red one because that's the one I decided to go with, but I believe, if I'm not mistaken, and I know it's been a while, I think they're making red, black, and blue, this bottom piece right here, or you can just keep it all black original with the 15 round. This right here, I got that extra 5 rounds because, hey, you can never have too many rounds. So that's the reason why I got this extender here. Like I said, it comes in originally 15 and then another 5 right here. Okay, it does turn into a double stack from this part down. But again, let me go ahead and shut up because I'm yapping way too much, and I do apologize. The whole purpose of this video is this bad boy right here. Okay, but yeah, guys, let me know what you guys think. Which color will you prefer? You want the silver or you want the peanut butter? Let me know what you guys think. And again, the Glock 43X, if I'm not mistaken, you guys can correct me in the comments if I'm wrong, but from what I know of is Glock 43X, it only make them in all black. They used to make them in black and silver, and then now the peanut butter colorway. I've seen some, and I'm talking about like right off the factory, directly from Glock. I know you can upgrade them, and I know you can change colorways, so you can do all that when you Cerakote them and all that stuff. Pero right off the Glock factory, I've only seen them in those colorways, and then also I think I've seen it in the slide purple, and then obviously the body black. But I don't know if that's original or not, but that's the only colorways that I've seen. Besides everything else, that the details that they add and all that stuff, those are the only colorways that I've seen so far. Okay, now you guys can correct me if I'm wrong, but I mean, these colorways, they're already pretty rare. And so yeah, guys, that's the whole purpose of this video. And again, I keep repeating myself, and I apologize, but I'm just really excited for this specific firearm, because like I said, this peanut butter colorway is just beautiful. Pero pues yeah, we're definitely gonna make up another video, go to the range, shoot these bad boys real quick, and let me know who you guys think is gonna win. Well, obviously you seen my cousin in videos, but obviously this is his first time ever going to the range shooting a handgun. He has went and shot rifles that they rent out over there at the gun range. We're not gonna say any names, but pues yeah, they rent out rifles over there, and so this is gonna be his very first time shooting a pistol. Okay, but yeah, make sure you guys drop a comment, let me know who you guys think is gonna win. But yeah, guys, and again, I do want to apologize for forever to upload videos. I'm currently actually working on one right now, the one we recorded last week, where we finally finished my Cadillac Escalade. I just been a lot of things behind the scenes that I haven't had time to make the videos for you, and I'm freshly out of work. I just picked up the camera, started recording this video for you guys while I'm editing the other video, and then I'm doing a couple little edits on Instagram and all that stuff. So I'm constantly doing things behind the scenes that I haven't been able to upload here for you guys on YouTube. So I do apologize on that. There's definitely gonna be a lot more videos coming in soon. It's just like I said, it's a lot of things behind the scenes that it's been going on through work and personal things in general, and then also all this BS going around with ICE. And I do want to not get into too much detail into that, but everybody stay safe out there. You know, check on your people and everything. And if I can hopefully I'm manifesting this where we can do something with this with the videos, where I can help out a lot of people, and especially that are getting affected in this situation, whether it's financially or if it's just something in general. If you guys have somebody that is going through this right now, make sure you guys let me know as well, and hit me up on Instagram. I'll drop it down right here. And if there's anything that me or my guys could do for you guys, we'll definitely do so. So yeah, guys, stay safe out there. Keep an eye on your people, check on your people, and may God be with you guys. I'm keeping everybody in my prayers to stay safe. But yeah, guys, without getting off topic, if you guys really enjoy this kind of videos, make sure you drop a comment, give it a like, and subscribe if you haven't done so. We'll definitely try to bring a lot more unboxing videos. But yeah, guys, other than that, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't done so. And you guys stay tuned for the next one. Peace.